Hey, I went to visit my son, the Nerdwriter, out in LA with my wife and daughter. So as we're walking around, we came upon this Bird electric scooter. My son rents it from time to time, and you can just drive around and then leave it wherever you want. And they're just all over the place. You rent it by the minute. It's really pretty cool. A lot of fun.
Right from the left, don't forget. You can make a YouTube video of that.
Yes.
I know, it's really cute, yeah. So she could just drop one, you could drop it right there and as soon as I press lock, it stops charging me.
How much is it?
Yeah. Get coffee and it's the best thing. It's like, it makes the neighborhood like a game. Can you...
It's not started.
You should just leave it at your... you have to give it a good push. Can you just like take it back and forth and leave it on your like outside?
Oh, you put the...
Woo! You want to try
Got it.
that?
Push up. My turn.
Yeah, give it a little push. Press that button.
She's got issues.
There we go.
Hold the gas. Hold the
Kill
brake, I mean. There you go. No one's ahead of you. You're
So after we were done playing with it, we just left it on the sidewalk and you walk away. Thanks for watching. If you want to check out some of my other crazy videos, they're here on the top right. And definitely check out my son's channel, The Nerdwriter. He's pretty cool.